Hi everybody, Tim from Workshop 12 here, and extremely excited to see that we crossed the 1,000 subscriber mark on YouTube. And what does that mean? That means a free giveaway. Just as we promised when we crossed that 1,000 mark, we're going to be giving away a free set of plastics for any vehicle that we support. So that means that we've got 4 vehicles right now, which is the 05 to 07 WRX STI, we've got the FRS BRZ, we've got the 350Z, and the 370Z. So the way that this contest is going to work is, number 1, you need to be a subscriber to our channel. Number 2, we need you to post a comment on this video and with a hashtag of which car that you want. So hashtag 350Z, hashtag 370Z, hashtag FRS. And what we will be doing is picking a random number between 1 and however many comments that we get on this video. Whatever that random number is, that will be the lucky winner of the plastic kit. So again, that means you're going to comment on this video with a hashtag on the vehicle that you want to support. We're going to run this video for a week. So we'll see however many comments that we get in a week's time. And at that point, that's when we're going to do that random number draw, and we're going to find out who is the lucky commenter in that position. So really excited that we hit this mark. Again, like we said, if we hit another 1,000, we'll do another giveaway. So this is really exciting for us to be able to hit this milestone. So please comment below and we'll get this contest rolling.